and gentlemen. This is Robert Trout bringing you some great news for 1955. News about the amazing new Motoramic Chevrolet. Never before has any new car caused such national interest and excitement. And we now bring you this special camera report to show you why. Let's begin our camera report at the world's foremost development center, the General Motors Proving Ground. New from the ground up. Yes, the astounding fact is that the 1955 Chevrolet is not just a new model, but a completely new car. From tires to top, from bumper to bumper. The 1955 Chevrolet is completely redesigned and re-engineered to a new concept of motoring pleasure and performance. Your camera report now takes you to Chevrolet Engineering. The main strength of this amazing car is its new massive frame, a full 14 inches wider at the front and 50% more rigid. Notice there is no apparent second cross member. Actually, a unique structural arch supplies amazing cross-member strength as a super rigid link between frame and body. And it's a completely new body, too. The new twin guard body by Fisher that puts a double wall of steel around us for greater strength and protection. Still another new concept. Outrigger rear suspension. Rear springs are outside the frame, as wide apart as possible, following the same principle of continuous balance used by the famous outrigger canoe. In the 1955 Chevrolet, it means tremendous new rear-end stability, especially on curves. And matching the new rear suspension is the revolutionary new Glide Ride front suspension system. The most fully developed independent front suspension unit in the world. It gives the 1955 Chevrolet driving and riding advantages found on no other car. The parade of major engineering changes continues. Completely new axles, plus completely new power team components. New tubeless tires, a softer ride, new resistance to blowouts, new freedom from tire squeal. A lower center of gravity to a new point of road-hugging equilibrium. That's just part of the story. Our special camera report now shows you what all these new engineering features mean for you and me. Quadrupoise Ride, perfect four-point balance over any highway, is a completely new sensation of riding and handling ease. You can see we're riding the rugged Belgian blocks. Yet the tubeless tires, new frame, and new front and rear suspension units retain their balanced poise. They soak up the shock so effectively that inside the car we seem to literally float over the most rugged test strip in the world. And watch closely as we come to a stop. Brakes on hard, yet we retain comfortable level flight balance. The 1955 Chevrolet effectively controls discomforting front-end dive. It's an exclusive Chevrolet feature, made possible by the special counterbalance design of the new Glide Ride front suspension unit. When you apply the new pivot pedal brakes or the optional new power brake, this ingenious new front suspension unit automatically counteracts the normal tendency to nosedive. You feel safer and more confident behind the wheel of this new Chevrolet. And that feeling grows when you turn the wheel and feel the smooth response of the new standard equipment, ball race steering, which uses a smooth action ball bearing system. And for the ultimate in steering ease, the 1955 Chevrolet offers optional Power Touch power steering, a completely new development for the Motoramic Chevrolet. And still another exclusive feature. The massive new structural arch that binds body to chassis with new rigidity is also the heart of the ideal heating and ventilating system long sought by automotive engineers. This heating system provides two distinct temperature levels. This is truly comfort zone heating and ventilating. And the beautiful new Motoramic Chevrolet is the only car in its field advanced enough to have it. The hood-high air intake assures the cleanest, freshest possible air. New simplified controls let you select the precise temperature you like. In the coldest weather, your feet and lower body keep warm and comfortable. And yet at head level, you breathe comfortably cooler air. And for the ultimate in comfort, Chevrolet is first in its field to offer an optional all-seasons air conditioner, the last word in everyday driving comfort. That's just the story of the new concept in riding comfort and handling ease. There's more great news in the 1955 Chevrolet's new power story. New Motoramic Power. And in the 1955 Chevrolet, that means power for every person purpose, unmatched performance and economy, and the greatest choice of completely new power teams in the industry. 3 new valve and head engines, 3 great transmissions, 3 new rear axles, offered in 6 great new power teams. The new Turbo Fire V8 engine, most compact, most advanced power plant in the industry. 162 horsepower with new fire swirl combustion chambers and a full 8-to-1 compression ratio. The new Blue Flame 136, the newest, most completely developed 6-cylinder valve and head engine in the world. Its power mate, the new Blue Flame 123. Its peak efficiency design makes this the economy-rated engine of the year. All these engines offer years-ahead benefits from their advanced features design. A new 12-volt electrical system, double rate to meet new power demands. New power hushed cooling with fan speed below engine speed for far quieter operation. New Lubriguard crankcase, better safeguarding of high compression close tolerances. New poised power engine mounts, an exclusive Chevrolet-developed power cradle that virtually eliminates any feeling of engine vibration. The new Motoramic Chevrolet offers you the best in the kind of driving you prefer. For conventional driving, the all-new Quiet Ease Synchro Mesh transmission, matched with the new Tiptoe Magic high-capacity clutch for the quietest, easiest non-automatic shifting in Chevrolet history. And you can choose a conventional driving team headed up by either the power-packed Turbo Fire V8 engine or the economy leader new Blue Flame 123. For the finest automatic driving at any price, the re-engineered super smooth Power Glide automatic transmission, always the finest in its field, now the finest choice in the industry for unbelievable performance and economy. Choose either the ultra-new Turbo Fire V8 engine or the peak efficiency new Blue Flame 136 to power this super automatic driving team. And for something entirely new in combined performance and economy, the Motoramic Chevrolet offers new Touchdown Overdrive. Convenient no-clutch shifting below 30 miles per hour. Second gear starts in traffic that reduce city driving effort a full 50%. And on the open highway, traditional overdrive economy in new, generous Chevrolet proportions. For this all-new overdrive transmission, there's a choice of either the Turbo Fire V8 engine or the new Blue Flame 123 for flashing power and performance combined with gas miser economy. Never has a new car offered so many new exclusive features and driving benefits, or such a totally different experience in motoring pleasure. Truly, in its new Motoramic styling, with its new quadrupoise ride and harness to new power beyond compare, the 1955 Chevrolet is much more than a new model. It's a new concept in low-cost transportation. This is the big news, the great news for all of us for 1955.